Hi, this is Hassan from DeepMask. In this video, we will learn how to start with your first prompt, how to conduct a market research using the DeepMask web search, and then how we can create it as a document inside DeepMask. So let's start. You can start with choosing your favorite model. In my case, I will start with Kimi K2.5. Note this. Create me structure for conducting research on AI landscape in Germany. It could be any research you can start with. It could be any documentation you're working on, and then we see that the AI model was able to create us a very good structure regarding the infrastructure, talent, industry, market landscape. But one thing which is really missing is that, for example, map AI startups by sector and funding stage. If we don't know the startups or what was the funding stages, or for example here, examine how SMEs are adopting AI tools and barrier they face. There are two ways to add the context and the data information. First, what we can do is we can either upload existing researches or any internal research your organization conducted. You can just directly upload the PDF, document, Word files, etc. The second way, which is the more easier way, is to enable web search. What will happen is, now if I give it a prompt, use the web search and fill in the details with sources. Now the AI model together with DeepMask web tool will go to Perplexity, and as we see, we have around 40 results, which are articles, web sources, websites, which wrote about this similar topic, LinkedIn, YouTube. So you will find multi-dimensional data sources. And now we see that the AI is filling up with the right sources, with right numbers, with the right context, and then it takes some time. So I'll pause the video here and we'll be back as the research is done. So as we see that the AI took some time to conduct the research, backed by all the sources, and then we see the structure which was created is now filled with all the right information. You can also just directly click the link and then go to the website or the report to see if the information is relevant. Once we have the whole report done, we can start with creating it as a document. In DeepMask, you have a built-in editor, which will be covered major part in Canvas videos. So refer to Canvas videos to learn more about how to create documents further and how to use them. But in this very quick example, I will enable document and I just give a command, create this as a document. That's all. We will take a step back. What the AI is doing is now combining the whole report, using it to be converted into a document, which later could be downloaded as PDF or as a Word document. So we will wait for a while it does its magic. So now the document was already written here, and then we can either start with first the preview. So if we click preview, in the same window, we can review how the structure looks like, how the other criteria of the document is, and we can also open this in Canvas. But this is for a separate video, because in Canvas, we can easily edit the document using our built-in editor with different text sizes, different colors, and we can also use the AI chat window here to change the context, to change the text however we like. Once we are done, we just click the button here and then PDF, document, or markdown. So it could be downloaded as a PDF, as we can see on the screen, and then you have the document and research done in a couple of minutes using DeepMask. Thank you very much for watching, and we will see you in the next video. Thank you.